Hey guys, we're having a fireworks battle with the neighbors apparently. So yeah, you're soon gonna be seeing some fireworks. Ryan! Failed! Don't you think it's kind of close to the tree?
That was good.
Don't you think it's a little close to the tree?
Cause they almost smoked him with the first one. Dad, do you think we did pretty good on the first one?
Definitely let them know we were here.
Yeah. Which one's your next?
I'm gonna get a flashlight for you. Oh, they're throwing out the protect ones now. Can you go get some scissors?
No. You can go get him.
Not a few.
Hey Daddy, if you don't mind, you're gonna be on YouTube. Do you mind?
Okay,
Huh?
There's the fuse. There. There we go. Alright. Let's take this shot.
Yeah, please.
That's a complete fail.
Oh yeah, they're not gonna see that.
Fail.
Yep.
Oh, by the way, guys, it's New Year's Eve. Let's go. In about 8 more minutes, it'll be New Year's Day.
Sweet. What are those?
This is an 8-shot. This one's gonna make some racket.
It is.
What's that one?
If I can find the fuse.
Oh gosh. Dang.
They're doing a rapid fire over there.
Oh, right. Make a run for it. Oh, I get it. Oh.
Really? You think we scared them? Hey Parker, I got an idea.
What?
Yell at them.
No, don't yell at them.
Like at least yell so that why not?
This is extreme. This is war.
Yell it, scream it.
This is war.
Scream out that
No.
word. Why not?
Oh, you're over there too. Oh, so we have a 3-way battle, huh?
Let me get the pocket knife. Get this one out. This one does.
Hold up, big boy. Ooh. That is one shot. Oh, is that one shotter?
Do you hear the deer snorting?
Well, the first one was good.
Yeah, I should have held off on that one. I didn't realize that one was a good one. On that.
Oh no, oh no, like
Green Stars Barrage.
What is that one?
Green Stars Barrage. We
Show
still
it
got
to the camera.
Blue stars.
Green Stars Barrage.
Dad, it's a big one.
How do you know? Show it.
Blue stars.
How do you know?
With report. Oh, that's cool.
That it?
This one and that one.
Ooh, starting to get a little breeze now.
Whoa!
I just saw that. I just saw their light in the distance.
Remember, trip, please.
Run, run. What happened?
Yeah. Okay, let's try this one.
Yeah, Dad fell over.
Which one?
Oh, dude, look out the distance up there. There's a full out war. Oh, look at that.
You missed it.
Oh.
Hey. Alright, guys. Last firework, right?
Yep.
This is it. I'm gonna save that good one though, so I can order some of those and get some. I don't know what to get.
Look out to the trees and you can see the fireworks lights.
I'm sure you have it the right way.
Wow.
I'm like, I knew that was going to be that.
Glad I didn't have it pointed at the house.
What happened? What
Dad,
happened?
I think that looks like I should be in the bottom. I'm like, oh no.
Okay, it's time to stop.
What happened?
Dad said, oh, it's always going towards the tractor and all that.
Wow. That's the end of the video.